Ross, what's the menu?
Gnocchi. No, it's gnocchi, all right. Gnocchi.
Hey, listen, gnocchi. He's there. Main course, what is it?
It's the most expensive fish on the market at the moment.
It's a fish.
Oh,
From the white
sake. Right, now let's have Jade and Emma on this side. Yeah, Ross and Anton over that side, yes? Yep, good. Right, are we ready?
I'm ready, chef.
No, that sounded pathetic. Are we ready?
Yes, chef.
Right, the Bunsen Brigade. Wakey, wakey, on order. 4 covers, table 2. 4 gnocchi, 4 sole, 4 crumble.
Yes, chef.
Excellent. Let's go. Right, Emma.
Yeah.
You're gonna set the fucking place on fire. Watch out. There you go. Turn the gas down a little bit. Right, Jade, don't put that butter in there, because if you haven't got the colour on the gnocchi, the butter will burn.
Yes, chef.
OK? Good. No, stop. Stop. Right, they look overcooked now. Yeah, they are completely overcooked.
Keep that going a bit more, Baba. Just reduce that a bit more, yeah?
Who the fuck's Baba?
She's my Baba.
Me, I'm Baba.
You're Baba.
Where's the
Right,
wing?
OK. That's much better, Jade.
Yes, chef.
Much better.
Thank you, chef.
Now you're getting the feel for it now. Emma, when was the last time you turned the gas up and down at home?
I don't cook.
Did Jade do it all at home?
Yes.
Seriously, all the cooking?
All the cooking.
Honestly.
No, but the thing
Lucky
is,
lady.
he doesn't let me either, though. You know, when I try, he gets
really?
angry.
Is he that possessive?
He gets angry with me
that's
and
nice.
he tells me to get out.
So what do you do, the washing up?
No, I do the wine. And
what do you do?
I put my heels on and I look pretty.
4 plates out, from there. On there like that.
Do you want to do that sauce?
Yeah. Who's going to knock out? Off you go. Clean your plates, finish it with pecorino. Yeah, and on the hot plate. Quick. Let's go, quickly. 4 more away, please, yes?
Yes, chef.
Jade,
Yes,
hey,
chef.
keep up the energy, yeah? Come on.
Yes, chef.
Let's go. Pan on, good. Right, Ross, when they're brown, they're cooked, they're black, they're what? Yeah, are you colourblind?
No, chef.
Anton?
Yes, chef.
Yeah, you know when things are charcoal and
I'm doing
cremated.
that,
Yeah,
chef.
you ever work with your partner there, yes? Right, Jade, 4 more. Where's Emma?
Yeah,
She
get
disappeared.
out.
Sorry, come on, Emma, let's go.
Look what he's doing. See?
Just helping. How
Taking over.
Taking over?
Anton, you're on fire. Put it down. You've got to burn off the alcohol, but not set fire to yourself. There you go. So what do you call 999? So how long have you two been together?
10 years.
10 years.
10 years.
And you're not married yet?
No.
No, he hasn't asked.
Are you waiting for the right move? What are you waiting for? Are you saving up for a ring? Have you changed your mind?
No, I just think we're happy as we are.
that good,
Thank
chef?
you. Thank you very much.
Service, please. Table 8, yes? Come on, guys, last 2 tables, yes?
Yes,
Yeah.
Anton,
Keeping up.
hey, well done, you.
Anton.
Very good. I thought he was going to be the fucking surprise, but hey, well done. Really well done.
Thanks, chef.
Last 2.
Are we your favourites?
We'll find out when the results come through. Go, well done.
Yeah.
Really well done, yes? Really well done. Very good. Very good.
The starter was fantastic. The gnocchi was really tender. It was very potatoey, not as pastry as what I'm normally used to.
I would definitely pay for it. It was light, refreshing, great textures, really enjoyable.
It was really fresh. It was great colours. Gnocchis was fantastic. It was absolutely great.
Right, results of the starter, yes?
Yes.
How well do you think you did?
I hope they're Spice fans.
Right, you hope they're Spice fans. I thought, personally, you all did a very good job. Right.
Really nice.
OK, so here's the thing. The All Saints, got 39 out of 50 for their starter. Any better than that, that puts you in pole position. Jose, good. Thank you. So, the number of customers that are happy to pay for their starters. 46 out of 50! That is very good. That is a great start. Holy mackerel. Seriously, well done. Really well done.